Hi, this is Chris from Investoo.com taking a look at OptioNow, a binary options broker. As you can see, I am on the company's website, the front page here, and it has one of the more common platforms you see as you have the graph and the call and put options being able to be taken here right off the front page. The expiration date, the asset, and the amount. It shows the payout. In this particular situation, it's 75%. I have to state up front, this is after hours, so a lot of the assets are not trading live. This is being recorded, as you can see, on a Sunday. But they do offer quite a bit as far as assets to be traded. Indices, stocks, commodities, currencies. And at the end of the day, there are over 150 markets to trade, so certainly there's plenty to look at here. The broker also offers Bitcoin. I know a lot of people are getting interested in Bitcoin these days, so they match the Bitstamp index. You can see that the About Us section is clearly put up front. It talks about their mission statement, if you will, the fact that they are based out of Anguilla, and the actual platform itself is a British platform. It's one that you'll see in a lot of different places. Contacting OptioNow is very simple. You have a British phone number, or you can just fill out the form below and they will contact you via email. One of the things that looking at this website and this brokerage that I really liked is that there are a lot of different ways to find support. That's a pretty big deal. You can see, like, if you want to know what currency you can deposit, you go to the support and help section. The minimum deposit is only $250. Maximum by credit card is $15,000. You can register for free, but to begin trading, you have to reach the minimum initial trading balance. So, looking at this, you can see that there are a lot of different ways to research the company yourself. Here's the legal information, risk disclosure, terms and conditions, compliance and identification documents, etc. They have a nice education section, I have to admit. The binary video on demand, pretty strong. There is an ebook you can download as well. Definitely gives you a good heads up on how to get started trading. We, of course, recommend going to Investoo.com for that as well. But there certainly is quite a bit here. Daily analysis. This is probably the strongest point here. You click on play, and you will get analysis from Christopher Glenn on a daily basis. Pretty decent analysis, really. He goes through the economic calendar and starts talking about some of the technical chart patterns and the like. There is a trading room. Not much is going to happen after hours, but it shows you the charts. You can go ahead and switch your assets and go from there. Opening an account is a relatively simple and straightforward process. All the usual documents would be needed. And when you look at the front page, it shows you the different types of accounts that you can open. Anything from a micro to an elite. Obviously, you get more as far as personal treatment the higher up you go. Trading signals via email and on their website are available for micro accounts, all the way up to a senior broker, signals, email and text messaging, webinars, live trading, etc. So there are a lot of different types of accounts that you can open. So therefore, you should be able to find something that is appropriate for you. You can use MasterCard, Maestro, Visa, Diners, American Express, wire transfer. So a lot of the usual and secure ways to deposit your money. Of course, you can take it out, just reversing that transaction. They do offer one-touch 60 seconds, spot follow, and pairs for those of you that are interested in those type of options. They are a regulated company out of Anguilla, so you can look into that country's documents and their compliance department, whether or not you choose to use this broker. They have 3 different languages. They have Russian, Arabic, and English on the webpage, so it does allow quite a bit of research to be done about the company, so it's pretty transparent. The top 5 trades, it'll show you the top 5 trades recently. Obviously, as you're looking at Americans, they do take Americans. With that, OptioNow is a viable option for U.S. traders that wish to be in binary markets. Not the easiest thing to do. With that, we like OptioNow. We believe that it is a fair and transparent company, and also like the large amount of quick options that you can play in various global assets.